Are you tired of the endless grind of working a 9 to 5 job? Do you dream of earning money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you 7 proven ways to make passive income in 2023. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. It's a dream for many people, but most think it's impossible to achieve. However, with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can make passive income. In this video, I'll share 7 of the best ways to make money while you sleep. The first way to make passive income is through rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can earn a steady stream of income every month. Plus, if the property appreciates in value, you can sell it for a profit down the road. The second way to make passive income is through dividend stocks. By investing in high-quality companies that pay dividends, you can earn a percentage of the company's profits every quarter. And, as the company grows, your dividends will grow too. The third way to make passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. By loaning money to individuals or businesses through online platforms, you can earn interest on your loans every month. The fourth way to make passive income is through royalties. If you're a musician, author, or artist, you can earn money every time someone purchases your work. And, with the rise of digital media, your work can be sold online 24/7, making it easier than ever to earn royalties. The fifth way to make passive income is through rental services. By renting out items you own, such as a car, bike, or even a room in your house, you can earn money without doing any extra work. The sixth way to make passive income is through affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services on your website or social media channels, you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. The seventh way to make passive income is through digital products. By creating an online course, ebook, or other digital product, you can earn money every time someone purchases it, even while you sleep. As you can see, there are many ways to make passive income in 2023. Whether you're interested in rental properties, dividend stocks, or affiliate marketing, there's a strategy that can work for you. So, start building your passive income streams today and watch your money grow over time.